Welcome everyone. Well, today I had to skip the London session and I was only having the chance to caught up with the trades during the New York session. So anyway, we had CPI. As you can see, everything went crazy. So I just waited for the market to go to a little bit of a calmy phase, if I can say that. But I had 3 trades, and also the account which I was referring last time, yesterday, we had a pretty bad day. It was the worst day during the in the signal group, but as you can see, the minus $762 were made yesterday with 4 trades, and it was all a loss. So I just had to stop for yesterday. Today I had 5 trades, wanted to nil the results at the FTMO account over 5%. So this is just a test, but it proved that the indicators were doing the best. I scalped a little bit, so I must add that I wanted to make the 5%, so I did some scalp with the US 100 or Nasdaq. But anyway, had 3 trades, and let me show you the trades were made. I had one long here on Nasdaq, which was a stop loss, these yellow boxes presenting my entry area right here. And then I had a short, and both of these trades were made with 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So this one was a loss, this one was a win. So the other trade which I took was on US 2000 or the Russell. I know not many of you guys trade the Russell. I did, so this was a pretty nice trade, a nice short here. And here you can see it on TradingView as well. This is the Nasdaq trade which I lost. The entry was good, but then it turned against me, and anyway, it is what it is. The second trade was very nice, entered here beautifully on this fair value gap, but the indicator actually helped me out with this one. So there was the entry, went to a short, beautiful 1:2 risk to reward. And the Russell trade was this one, also had a fair value gap here in this area. So I entered here, beautiful risk to reward 2, and that's it. The good thing is that, you know, I still ended up in profit, and now I'm copy trading 3 evaluation accounts, and I also have a funded account with TopStep, but I was only copy trading these between a few evaluations, which are exactly, this is the Bulenox account. Yesterday, well, it was pretty much a red day. I ended up almost at 900 on Friday. Yesterday I managed to scalp a little bit back, so I ended up in a negative, a little bit more than 100, so that was 745. Today, despite the one loss, we managed to pull it up to $940. My other account which I'm copy trading is the Apex. This is a new account. Fairly, I had my fair bits and pieces here, some losses, but overall we are in a positive territory now. So $50,163 here. And the MyFundedFutures account started not too recently, but I didn't really touch it. Anyway, today, as you can see, almost the same amount of increase. So the goal is to copy trade at least 3 evaluation accounts to getting funded. And I also have, of course, my funded account from TopStep. And today I was just scalping a few dollars. It has $1,000 on it, more than 1,000. But I want to build this up to at least more than that, at least $3,000. Anyway, I'm definitely loving the system. I just love the system. If you guys are curious how I'm using it, the exact model, how I'm entering, you can check out pip.ninja. There's a small mini course there. Watch my video there. It's not too long, 5 minutes. I talk about why I started to trade with this system since last November. Anyway, this was just a small recap because I promised to you guys I'm going to be doing these, well, at least 2 or 3 times a week. So So I try to update you guys more and more with these evaluation accounts. And the goal, of course, is to get funded. But first, I want to build up more capital. So anyway, the system works great. Go check it out and grab your discounts. If you're watching this today on the 13th of February, you can still have your 80% discount at Apex. So go for it. Use my code. And you can also check out Bulenox. Use TomSabo 1 or 2 because 83% down at Bulenox. So I think that's also a very good deal. But anyway, use my links and see you guys in the live streams.